Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 22, metals and non-metals. In this worksheet we will discuss about uses of metals and non-metals. What are the uses of metals? Metals are shiny and lustrous, therefore used in making jewelries and ornaments like silver and gold. These are very common metals which are used in making jewelries. Metals are used in making machineries, automobile parts, aeroplanes and trains. Different metals are used in making machineries or parts of machines, parts of automobiles, aeroplanes and trains, etc. Third, aluminium and iron sheets are used for making roofs of houses, as aluminium and iron are very good malleable metal. That is why sheets of these metals are used in making roofs of the houses. Metals are good conductor of electricity, therefore they are used to make wiring of electric appliances, example copper and aluminium. Copper and aluminium are good ductile metals, that is why they are used, and a good conductor of electricity, that is why they are used for making wiring of electric gadgets or appliances. Metals are also good conductor of heat, so they are used for utensils for cooking purposes. हम किचन में जो किचन यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं वो किसके बनाते हैं बच्चों? मेटल्स के, बिकॉज मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, एग्जाम्पल आयरन, एल्युमिनियम, कॉपर एक्सेट्रा. Now mercury is a liquid at room temperature and used in making thermometer. Now uses of non-metals. Carbon is a non-metal which is present in all living things. कार्बन कौन सी नॉन मेटल है विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट्स. इट इज़ यूज्ड इन पेंसिल्स, कोल्स, बैटरीज एक्सेट्रा. फास्फोरस is used in safety matches, जिससे हम आग जलाते हैं. क्रैकर्स, germicides and explosives. Germicides for killing germs. Sulfur, which is also a non-metal. Preparation of medicine बनाने में. Gunpowder, which is a alloy. Alloy means homogeneous mixture of metals, two or more than two metals or metals and non-metals. And also sulfur is used in making acids. Nitrogen is used for making fertilizers and pesticides. Pesticides are the chemicals which are used for killing the pest. Iodine is used for medicinal purpose as antiseptic and antibiotic. Iodine is used as antiseptic and antibiotic. Oxygen, it is used for respiration, for burning and burning of fuels. Oxygen supports burning. Without oxygen anything can't be burned. Chlorine is a non-metal which is used for purification of water. Now check yourself. Name any four metals and non-metals, also write their uses. So you have to write the name of four metals and four non-metals and also write their uses. You can write very easily name of metals and their uses, and name of non-metals, four non-metals and their uses. Question number 2, why food cooking vessels are made up of metals? Food cooking vessels are made up of metals because metals are good conductor of heat. That is why food cooking vessels are made up of metals. Why burning of cracker are harmful? In making crackers, different non-metals are used, or phosphorus is used, which gives a poisonous gas on burning. That is why burning of cracker are harmful. Question number 4, what is the use of thermometer? We use thermometer for measuring the body temperature. Question number 5, which non-metal is used in preparation of medicine used for healing of wound? So this non-metal is iodine. Iodine because it is antibiotic or antiseptic. So it is used for healing wounds. Thanks for watching.